Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, well the time has come. The CAG set from Ramen Toy has arrived, and I tell you what, I could not be happier with the results. As you can see, I've already laid everything on top of it. I've replaced the canopy, so you can see the profile is better. I put on the machine guns, super easy to do. What a look. And I put on the gas caps. The gas caps are a little thick, but you know what? I like it. It works. It's a toy. At the end of the day, I'm very pleased. Thank you so much, Ace, for doing this. It took a really good toy and made it, let's say, Ace. It's now Ace's. Thanks, Ace. And for anyone out there, all you have to do is press the button like you did before and open it up. And you can see, figure still fits. What do you think? Anyway, I just want to say thanks, Ace. I'm super thrilled with the end results, and we live in such an amazing time that when one toy company has a flaw, another company will come around and fix it. And thank you.